Now I will tell you how to easily and quickly register on Linebet from any device to make huge profits while betting on sports. Open a browser on your phone or computer, type Linebet in the search bar, and go to the site. Once there, you'll be taken to the main menu. Select the registration button. I recommend choosing the email option as it provides a complete registration process that protects your data. Here you'll select your country, currency, and region. Then enter your email address, first name, last name, and phone number. For security, create a strong password. Enter the promo code VIP43, which gives you a 200% bonus on your deposit. Finally, click the sign up button. I will also provide the promo code for you in the comments below this video. After that, fund your account using a convenient payment method and claim your 200% bonus on your first deposit.